Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly and easily find your routing and account number with Bank of America. Whether you're setting up direct deposit, paying bills, or making transfers, this information is essential. So let's get started. First, let's quickly clarify the difference between a routing number and an account number. So routing number is a 9-digit number that identifies your bank and its location. An account number is unique to your account and identifies your funds within the bank. To view your routing and account number online, follow this step. So go to thebankofamerica.com and log into your account using your credentials. From the dashboard, select the account you want to view. Once you're in the account details page, look for the section labeled Account Info or Details. Here you'll find your account number. For security reasons, it may be partially hidden, so click on the show to view the full number. Your routing number is displayed here too based on your branch location. If you have a paper check, you can also find both numbers at the bottom. The routing number is the first 9 digits on the left and the account number is next to it, followed by the check number. And there you have it. Now you know how to find your routing and account number with Bank of America. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tutorials.